BMW just did something interesting. They took the X1, their best-selling luxury SUV in India. By the way, over 38,000 sold. They stretched it, made it longer, gave it more space, better ride, and they are calling it the BMW X1 long wheelbase.
Feel like summer in Ibiza, tastes like honey when I see ya. I can't help it, I'm obsessing. Oh my God, I wanna feel ya.
Now you might be thinking, didn't they already do it with the electric iX1? But this one runs on petrol, and there's a lot that has changed. Let's go through it. Okay, the biggest change literally is the size. This car is 116mm longer than the regular X1, and most of that extra length, 108mm, has gone straight into the wheelbase. That's the distance between the front and rear wheels. Why does that matter? Because all that extra space goes to the rear seat passengers. Look at how wide this rear door opens. Getting in and out is so much easier. And once you're inside, this is the difference. My height is 5'8" and my knees are nowhere near the front seat. So BMW says this is the most spacious second row in the segment. The seat is 27mm higher than before. The headrests are wider. The recline angle is just right, and there's proper under-thigh support. And then you have got the biggest panoramic sunroof in the segment. Huge rear windows, the cabin just feels open and airy. If your family sits at the back, they are going to love this car. Talking about boot space, it is 540 liters with the seats up. It is 64 liters more than the regular X1. And when you fold the seats, you get 1700 liters. You could fit a small apartment in there. Under the hood, you get BMW's twin-power turbo petrol engine, but here's what's changed. It now makes 156 horsepower, that's 20 more than the standard 3-cylinder X1. And the torque is 230 Nm paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Due to 50-50 weight distribution, even though this is a family SUV, when you throw it into a corner, it just holds its line. In simple words, the car feels planted and smooth at the same time. Over speed breakers, potholes, and bad roads, this car just absorbs everything. And the suspension, completely retuned for the longer wheelbase. BMW added something called comfort suspension. Basically, they have increased the caster travel for better straight-line stability, and the anti-roll bars are pre-tensioned for less body roll. The tire helps too. 225/55 on 18-inch wheels. BMW says that's the highest sidewall height in the segment. More rubber between you and the road means a softer ride. Inside, you get BMW Operating System 9 running on a 10.7-inch touchscreen. Next to it is a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. It's clean, it's fast, everything works smoothly. But here are the standout features for me. First one is the Digital Key Plus, so you can unlock and start the car with just your phone. No key is needed. Second is Parking Assistant Plus. You get a 360-degree camera view, and this car literally parks itself. You press a button, takes your hands off the steering wheel, and the car will park itself. Third is the headlamp. These are fully adaptive LED headlights with a cornering function. When you turn the wheel, the light follows. And fourth is Harman Kardon surround sound. The audio in this cabin is seriously good. Safety is where BMW has gone all out. 8 airbags, high-strength steel and aluminium body. But the big addition is a full driving assistant package, basically a proper ADAS suite. So here what it does. If a collision is about to happen, the car warns you and brakes automatically. If you're drifting out of your lane, it warns you. If you're turning left and there's oncoming traffic, it can brake for you. If someone's coming too fast from behind, it alerts you. And if there's a pedestrian or cyclist, even while turning, it detects them. And then there's dynamic cruise control. It keeps your distance from the car ahead and adjusts speed on its own. Everything you touch on the upper surfaces is soft touch. The switchgear has brushed aluminium and metallic finishes. It feels expensive. There's no cutting corners here. Inside you get two options, Castagna, which is the rich brown, or smoke white, and Atlas grey dual tone. Both in Veganza perforated upholstery. That's BMW's sustainably sourced vegan leather. It looks and feels premium. Design-wise, it looks like an X1, just longer and more proportional. Bold kidney grille, sharp LED signature up front, clean L-shaped tail lamps at the back. So let me sum up what has changed. You get a bigger car with more rear seat space than anything else in the segment. You get more powerful engine with 50-50 balance. And you get a smooth, comfortable ride thanks to the retuned suspension. You also get ADAS suite, 8 airbags, self-parking, panoramic sunroof, Harman Kardon sound system. And the best thing, this car is getting made right here in India at BMW's Chennai plant. If you want a luxury SUV whose rear seat is as comfortable as the front seat and the car is fun to drive, then this car is hard to beat. And one more thing, BMW offers up to 10 years of extended warranty, roadside assistant and prepaid service packages. So your ownership is sorted too. If you want more details and looking for car loans, you can head to carlelo.com. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to Carlelo.